So what are the different physical factors? So as I told you, we can divide it into three parts: physical factors, emotional factors, and environmental factors. So let me give you some examples of physical factors, like smoking. One who smokes too much causes physical harms. So this is a type of physical factor. So do you have any illness? Oh, you may call it illness, ailment or illness, okay, both the same. Next is someone who is too much alcoholic. Too much drinking of alcohol can also cause stress in your, cause you physical stress. Next, any kind of body ache, headache, pain, surgery, any kind of surgery, fractures, all these things comes in the section of physical stress factors. Now let us talk about emotional stress factors. This one is very much important, because most of our stresses are, they come from emotional stress factors. So what are those emotional stress factors? We all know about some or other emotional stress factors, okay. So someone who is unhappy, being unhappy. Number 2, heavy workload. Number 3, death of nearer ones. Death of nearer ones, or close friends, relatives, or someone who is very close, very near to us. If he or she dies, it causes emotional stress to us. Okay, next is facing discrimination. What kind of discrimination do people face? There are very type of discrimination, or facing harassment in workplace, harassment in school, college, okay, due to your culture, due to your culture and everything. Discrimination happens sometimes regarding caste, creed, religion. Sometimes discrimination happens. So all these are emotional stress factors. One more thing, working for long hours. All these are emotional stress factors. Now, environmental stress factors, we all are going through this particular thing. Environmental stress factors, the first and foremost thing is pollution, traffic jam, crowd, etc. So questions may come like, name 2 environmental stress factors, or name 2 emotional, or name 2 physical stress factors. If you understand this, you can write it on your own. Next, name 2 ways of how can we control stress. Yoga. Any kind of exercise actually controls stress, but yoga is very much famous for controlling stress. Meditation and exercise are the 2 most important stress controlling factors, as I have already told you, and you can mention any of them. And the next is, I have already told you that this is not a definition. This one I have just written to make you understand what stress is. For the definition, actually you have to go through the PDFs, the document files that we have given you as notes on this chapter. Okay, thank you students, hope you understand well. And in my next video session I'll be talking about time management. Thank you, that's for the day.